Hemshekh was awesome. So I was a little kid, and we woke up to Yiddish. The first thing in the morning were the announcements. It was aufmerksam, aufmerksam, alle Campers und Aufpassers. Geht jetzt rein ins Zimmer vom Frühstück. So we go to the Chavashafplatz. We finish singing there. We go to breakfast. You can't leave the Esszimmer without singing. So we sang a bunch of songs, and then we went on our way, and we would have Yiddish class. And then we would swim, and every event had Yiddish involved. So we would go to the Schwimmbassin and we would get schwimmen. And you had to have a buddy, and you would, every once in a while, they would blow the whistle, and we would count off. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it was so integrated that you kind of didn't know that you were learning. Because when you're young enough, you're like, okay, well this is, and there was plenty of English. It wasn't like I felt like, well, I don't know what's going on. But it was so integrated that you had no choice but to learn. And then we go to lunch, and then we would eat, we would drink bug juice, and then we would sing. And they would have to, I'm sure, in hindsight, I'm sure that the people who were working in the camp were like, just go so we can clean up and we can also go to the pool. But we had an awesome time. And then we would put together a Friday night culture night every week. And they were always, come here, Joanne, Adel, Shiffy, Jesse, Carrie, Sabina, okay, come on, let's do it. And we would put together some kind of a culture night, and it was always about something interesting. You would have stuff. We had Yada, so Yada was color war. And color war, it wasn't just, red and blue and green. It was 2 different teams with names of Yiddish poets, Yiddish authors, Yiddish composers. So you could be on the Peretz team, and you could be on the Avram Raisin team, or you would be on the Broderzon team, or the Sekunda team. So what are you doing? You're singing the songs of this person. You're writing cheers about this person. Maybe you're writing an English original or a Yiddish original about this person's life, about this person's art. So it's funny. I don't think I ever realized how much Yiddish was really there. It was just there. So you have all this Yiddish culture being just thrown at these kids who don't really get that you're absorbing a piece of the world that may not be in everyone else's line of sight. So that was Yada, which happened early in the season. And do other things. Sometimes we played basketball, and then we would go to dinner, and after dinner we would sing, and we wouldn't leave, and then we would go to a culture night, or we would have Yiddish dancing, and we would put on plays. We had play rehearsal, and the first role that I had at Camp Hemshekh was Baba Yachne in the Kishef Machrin, and Moshe Rosenfeld, we called him Rock at the time. Rock put me in like the ugliest costume with the ugliest big nose. He put putty on my face and drool over my face. And I was like, Kim Samir. I was like, okay, I can do this. And I don't know, it was the way childhood should be. I don't get why anyone wouldn't want to go to socialist Yiddish summer camp.